Today we are going to solve this type of interesting equation given by p raised to power 15 plus p to the power 5 equals to 10. So how to solve this type of equation is very simple and interesting one because we will use the properties of indices. So what we can do, first of all we can write p to the power 15 as p to the power 3 multiplied by 5, okay, plus p to the power 5 can be written as it is equals to 10. Now what we can do is implies p raised to power 5 whole to the power 3 plus p raised to 5 as it is equals to 10. Since here properties of indices have been used, that is a to the power m multiplied by n can be written as a to the power m whole to the power n, which is also written as a to the power n whole to the power m, and which is a to the power n multiplied by m. So this property is used here. P to the power 5 whole to the power 3 plus p to the power 5 equals to 10. Now what we can do, we can take p to the power 5 as some n or some x equals to p to the power 5. Now after substituting this one in this, what we can get, p to the power 5 is x raised to power 3 plus p to the power 5 is x equals to 10. Okay, so now what we can do, we can take x to cube plus x, we can write this as 8 plus 2. Why we have written this type? Because we will adjust this in here and 2 here. How? This is how, that is x cube minus, because here plus 8, so this side will be minus 8, minus 2, this side it is minus 2, plus x equals to 0. Okay, now what we can do is, we can take x cube, we can write 8 as 2 cube minus, or we can bring x this side, x minus 2 equals to 0. Now we know formula for a cube minus b cube. What is the formula for a cube minus b cube? We can write this side, that is a cube minus b cube can be written as a minus b multiplied by a square plus a times b plus b square. Okay, so this formula we will use here, that is a cube minus b cube is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So here it is this time, that is x cube minus 2 cube. So this can be written as x minus b 2, that is a minus b multiplied by a square plus a times b means 2x plus b square is 4. Okay, plus x minus 2 as it is equals to 0. Okay, now what we can do, we can take common x minus 2 from both the term. This is one term and this is another term. So in both the term we can see that x minus 2 is common, so we can take x minus 2 as common from both the term. And what will be remaining from first term, remaining will be x square plus 2x plus 4, and from second term 1, because here 1 multiplied by x minus 2 equals to 0. Now what we can do is, we can simplify a little bit more, that means x square plus 2x plus 4 plus 1 is 5 equals to 0. Okay, now either this one is 0 or this one is 0. We can write this, either x minus 2 equals to 0 or second one, x square plus 2x plus 5 equals to 0. Okay, from which we can see that either x equals to 2, or we can solve this one to get quadratic equation to get value of x. So it is of this form, that means ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. It is of this form whose solution is given by, we know that x equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac. Here a, here b, here c. So this whole divided by 2 times a. So we know that if quadratic equation is of this form, its solution is given by this. Now our quadratic equation is this form. That means where a is 1, b is 2 and c is 5. So we can easily solve this quadratic equation. How? I am solving here. That is x equals to minus b, that is minus 2. I am keeping the formula side by side. Plus or minus b square root of b square means 4, that is 2 whole square, minus 4 times a times c, 4ac, whole divided by 2 times a, which is 2, from which we get minus 2 plus or minus square root of 4 minus 20 whole divided by 2. We can see that we will get a negative number inside square root. So we will get a imaginary number. That means square root of minus 16 whole divided by 2. From which we get minus 2 plus or minus 16 root is 4 and square root of minus 1 is nothing but iota. That is 4 iota I. This imaginary number. Here what is I? I is nothing but iota square root of minus 1 in complex number. Okay, x plus iy. If you take 2 common, we will get minus 1 plus or minus 2i. This is complex root we got, but we want the real roots. So we will not take this one, we will not consider this one. We will consider just this one. That means x equals to 2. So for x log a to the power b is b log a. This we know already. Okay. Implies this one directly also we can do. No need to take log both sides. Directly we can do. That means we can take p whole to the power 1 by 5 both sides. Okay. To the power 1 by 5 both sides, and we know that p raised to power 5 multiplied by 1 by 5 will get cancelled. Okay, this one will get cancelled with this and we will get p, and which is nothing but 2 raised to power 1 by 5. Okay, we got p equals to 2 raised to power 1 by 5. Now after getting this one, we can check, we can put this value in our original equation, we can check it is correct or not. Okay, so our original equation was p to the power 15 plus p to the power 5, and our answer was 10. So whether we will check that it is satisfying or not, because p is 2 to the power 1 by 5 as we got. To the power 15 plus 2 to the power 1 by 5 to the power 5, and this will get us 2 raised to power 1 by 5 multiplied by 15 plus 2 raised to power 1 by 5 multiplied by 5. This 5 get cancelled with 5. This 5 get cancelled with 15 3 times. So we will get 2 to the power 3 plus 2. And which is nothing but 2 to the power 3 is 8 plus 2 and is nothing but 10. And which we get as RHS, means right hand side, as required. Hence 2 to the power 1 by 5 is our